Get it done, Malik.
I had to get up off my ass. Every race I ran, I felt like I was coming last. I lost faith in myself and I ain't never going back. That's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back. I was down real bad, had to get up off my ass. Every race I ran, I felt like I was coming last. I lost faith in myself and I ain't never going back. That's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back.
What's up, y'all? It's Malik. I'm back with another vlog, and on this one, I'm not real happy. Y'all see my bus right here? Let's just know I'm not happy, all right? So I had it sitting at a shop for a while. They couldn't do much for me at the time. I brought it back to my storage lot. Now, one day I'm driving to work. So I started doing construction, right? And this is what I see. Now, this gotta be the goofiest thing and the dumbest thing in the world right here, Joe. I had people telling me, oh, it look good and this, that, and the third. No, it don't. This is my business right here I'm trying to start. I don't want this on here. I do not want this on here. I didn't ask for anybody to do this. This is goofy. I try to be cool and understanding. This right here, man, is insulting, it's dumb. Like, man, it's too many things. I'm trying to start something, I gotta worry about little goofy people trying to come and make some type of statement or whatever. What you doing it for? It's not yours. You're not driving it nowhere. It's finna sit right here. And I'm finna take this off of here. So, what's the point? It must have just been to make me mad, honestly. So, give me a second. I'm finna try to start this thing up. I gotta take it somewhere. All right. What's up, y'all? It's Malik. I'm back with another one. So, look. I just got done handling some business. I'm about to go home. We're gonna get this truck washed and taken care of. Catch me in a minute. So real quick, y'all, it's a beautiful day. It's still a little chilly, I'm not gonna lie. But look, it's actually the first time I've been back to this place. I proposed to my wife here. It was like, what, was that 2 years ago or a year ago? Yeah, it was like 2 years ago. Right here at this, not right here, the pickup, but it was at this little IMAX at the Icon Theater. So it's just cool to be back here. It's a cool place. It's nice. But yeah, I'm about to go wash the truck, finish the toolbox, weatherproof it, and then we're gonna be all good. Catch y'all in a minute. I'm back at the house. You see, I just picked this up too. Snowblower right here, a gas joint. It's gonna be nice to have this. I mean, the winter pretty much over with now, but for next winter, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be real nice to have this. We, want to have at least one more property, whether that be a house or a rental property by the time next winter come. So we're gonna see, and this definitely will come in handy because right now I've just been shoveling and I don't want to keep doing that. So yeah, I got the boxes in here and you see how they come out like this, and there's still like a lot of room back there. I'm actually gonna make these come out a little bit more by moving that little brake that I put back there. So I'm gonna take the top off. I'm gonna adjust that part. Then I'm gonna put plastic under this here so that water won't, basically come into this Only thing is, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do that. I got the plastic somewhere. Oh, I think I just left that down. I'll go get it. But yeah. So I'm gonna put plastic in here. I just gotta figure it out. I don't think I have any staples or a staple gun. So we're gonna see what we can do. But it's no big deal at all, trust me. We're gonna get something going, and yeah, we're gonna get this stuff ready. But basically, I want this to be able to not get wet at all. Like, I don't want any water seeping in here. So I'm gonna close up all of these, seal up all of these holes down here on the sides and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just spray in here with the rubber and seal all of that up some more, because you can see a little bit through there, but not much. So I'm gonna seal all of that up, and then put the plastic in like I said. Other than that, we straight. We should be good. And I might literally just put plastic on the sides. So right there on that side, and then in the back. Just so that any water that comes through will literally just fall down. And it'll go, you know, on the bottom of the truck bed, because it's still a gap. So let's get to it, y'all. So look, I took the bottom piece out. That's the bottom. It's flipped around. Y'all see the supports and stuff. I got the 2 top pieces off. Those right here are sprayed. And then these are the drawers. I did these right here. I started cleaning my truck out, taking everything out of it. I'm gonna clean this bed. I'm gonna pressure wash the bed and clean it a little bit better. And these 2 pieces right here, I'm actually gonna spray real quick because I forgot to. So these are just like little middle pieces right here. But yeah, it's coming along. I took everything out real fast. It took me maybe like 20 minutes. I got all of the pieces out and did everything I needed to do. So check me out in a minute, y'all. It's still a little bit of stuff in here. I'm not too worried about that. It look a little worse on camera than it is in person though. I just wanted to give it a quick little clean. I'm gonna show y'all up front. I just did this with my feet just now, so I'm gonna hit that with the vacuum again, but I cleaned it pretty well. It was looking gross. But I'm gonna see. I see now I'm gonna have to hit it again. There's a couple things I need to wipe down. So it's good to pull it out here in the light. But once I get done with that, I'm gonna spray it down and I'm gonna get it looking clean again, because it's gross right now, y'all. See all of that? Now we good. Now we are good. I don't know who that is, but she keep laughing. I guess something must be funny. I keep hearing that. But anyway, yeah, we all good, y'all. Oh yeah, okay, I'm glad. Super glad. Now we just gotta clean the outside up. Y'all see it's bogus. All right, look. So I wanted to clean out my truck bed because it's really dirty just from everything I've been doing. it's coated and everything. So I'm gonna just clean it out real quick, spray it down and everything, get all of that stuff out of there, and then I'm gonna finish cleaning my truck and put everything back. Y'all clean out. It's cleaned out. Now I'm about to do the rest of the truck, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and chill. Oh, I gotta put the box back in, but other than that, we done. Okay, y'all, you see who done popped up? My lovely and beautiful wife. But yeah, I just got done.
Let me do it again.
I just cleaned it up. Got it all clean.
It looks nice too.
Thank you. So now I want to put the toolbox back and then wash your car, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna put the toolbox back and then do it.
Okay, perfect.
All right. There we go. All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
So the first part is the bottom right here. I'm gonna stand this up. Drawers. This is the bottom here. So just take this. See the other side of it?
Mm-hmm.
So this slides in. I got it. I mean, it fits pretty good, so I'm gonna mess with it.
Okay. And where did you buy this at?
Just got the wood from Home Depot.
What? And you put this all together by yourself?
Really? Yeah.
I was trying to. Okay.
You should.
We'll just cut that out.
Okay, now. See how it fits in? What I was thinking about doing was putting plastic in here. But I think I'm good. I don't think I need to because of the way everything is working. It seems like the water is just gonna go straight down. So I'm not really worried about that. Later on, you know, if I run into some issues, if I see water or something like that, all I gotta do is take it back out of here just like I did. So come up, let me show you the brake. So you see these two things on the side?
Mm-hmm.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Those are the brakes that I put on to stop it from coming forward.
Okay.
So you have to get the drill. Okay. So I'm gonna just put this in here like this. That's gonna stop this from sliding. Not that it's really important for it to, but just in case. And it locks it in as well. So. Alright. Now I'm gonna put the drawers in now. Now, this other drawer. So you see these right here on the bottom? This piece I put?
Mm-hmm.
That's like another break so that when you go inside of here, the drawer is not gonna slide out. Come here, as close as you can. This piece right here is what that other piece is gonna stop on. So that's why that's there. Put that way. Now I gotta put the top on. Now the top is in 3 sections. This is the left side. Yeah, this is the left side. So you see how it goes over it all the way? So now, when I come to open it, it's gonna stop right there. Just push it down. Then these right here. Make sure that's in there good. Then they'll start leaking. One side. Got these. So okay?
Yeah.
Cold.
Yeah, a little bit.
I'm just making sure it's lining up good.
Get it done, Malik.
Going back, that's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back. I'm posted, I'm toting, plug acting like a little